To create schedules for Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, you will need to click on Enter right here in the Roborock app. Then you can click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then there's the schedules. After clicking on schedules, you'll be able to create a specific schedule where your robot will automatically begin cleaning. You can click on the start right here and pick the specific hour. After that, you can change the task for a full cleaning, which will clean entire zone. You can go for a specific room cleaning or a specific routine if you have routines set up. For most of those options, you'll be able to also change the cleaning mode, where it should only mop, vacuum, or do both at the same time, and adjust the suction power, scrub intensity, and water flow, and how many times it should repeat cleaning. You can also change the route to fast or standard. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.